Aloha gang, Leanne here, your Honolulu personal trainer. Welcome to Workout Wednesday. I'm going to show you a DIY, your own butt workout at home. All you need is some basic equipment you have probably lying around the house and the motivation to get to work. So if you try, make sure you tag me at Leanne Watanabe with your sweaty selfie. And if you would like a particular workout featured on my Workout Wednesday, please shoot me a DM or comment below. Have fun. Let me know how it goes. Aloha. Exercise number 1, the standing glute kickback. So this is the how-to, okay? You're gonna stand with your weight on the left foot and your right leg long behind your body with your toes pointed and resting on the floor. You're gonna bend your left knee slightly and you're gonna hinge at your hips to lower your torso, your chest forward. You can clasp your hands in front of your body or place them to your side, and this is your starting position. From here, you're gonna engage your right glute, your right butt muscle, and you're gonna kick your leg straight back up until it's nearly parallel to the floor. And then slowly with control, you're gonna reverse the movement and return to start. So standing glute kickback here. And if we go side, you can really use a mirror if you have a mirror at home, and you're gonna lift that leg down and up. Think about this tie-in between your butt cheek and your hamstring. Exercise number 2, supported single leg deadlift. So gang, let's start. Stand on your left leg. If you're holding weight, hold the weight in each hand. We're gonna take your palms facing toward your thigh. We're gonna kick that right leg back. Keep that right heel lifted. We're going to hinge at the hip, keeping the back flat, the core engaged, bringing our chest and torso forward until almost parallel with the floor, and we're going to return to start. I'm going to drive that left heel into the ground, and I'm going to come up, engage my butt cheeks, down, and up. I want to really focus on not rounding at the back, and I want to focus on keeping my head and my point of view looking a little out in front of me forward. The working leg, gang, is the left leg, and when you're here in this deadlift position, you're going to feel this intense stretch behind the back of the hamstring, the back of your thigh called your hamstring. We want to do 10 to 12 reps per side, so be sure to switch legs. Have fun. Exercise number 3, hip thrust. So you want to sit with your feet flat on the floor in front of a couch or a stable chair. You want to place that couch or stable chair. Blah, blah, blah. Exercise number 3, the hip thrust. Sit with your feet flat on the floor in front of a couch or a stable chair. You're going to place that couch or stable chair, or place your shoulder blades rather against that couch or stable chair. And then what you want to do is make sure your feet are walked out enough so that they're in front of your knees. This is your starting position. Your shoulder blades, underneath your shoulder blades against that chair. And then what we're going to do is push through your heels, not your toes, engage your butt cheeks, and extend your hips up until your body forms this straight line from knee to hip. You see this straight line? From your shoulders to your knees. And we're going to reverse the movement to return to start. That's 1 rep. So again, lift your seat up, your butt all the way up high, pushing your glutes and your hips to the sky. Get that straight, beautiful line from shoulders to the knees, driving your heels into the ground, engaging here and down. We want to perform 10 to 12 reps, and that's your hip thrust. Exercise today for your booty is a good morning. So, how to for the good morning? Start standing, feet hip widths apart, or slightly wider. Hands are clasped behind your low back. You're going to bend your knees slightly, engage your core, draw your shoulders back, and keep your neck long. Looking straight ahead. You're going to hinge at the hips to push your bottom, your hips, your seat, your butt back, while lowering your chest forward until parallel to the floor, keeping the weight in your heels. We're going to slowly reverse the movement to return to start. That's 1 rep. So again, hinging at the hip, back is flat, looking forward ahead, neck is long, driving through the heels, feeling an intense stretch here behind low back and hamstrings, the back of your thighs, driving forward, standing nice and tall, neck long, engaging your core the entire time. So we want to perform 10 to 12 reps of the good morning. So gang, I hope that was helpful. You had 4 exercises, 10 to 12 reps for every exercise. You can do those back to back, only resting as needed, and complete that circuit anywhere from 3 to 5 rounds. Do it on your own as a solo workout or add it on to one of your current lifts if you want a booty focus. And again, remember, the best motivation starts with action. Action starts with getting started. If you get started, take action, you'll be more motivated to keep doing the thing. Have a great day.